Hey guys, so this is Leyton and we're just about to film a mock driving test, but before we do that, I've just picked up Leyton from the train station, and just on the way here he was telling me that he just had his test just a few days ago. And he failed with 3 major faults. Okay, so I thought this would be a good video of a learner just going through what happened on the actual test and what you failed for. Okay, because he said he's okay just explaining what happened. Obviously it's going to help learner drivers who have got their test coming up. So how do you find the whole experience of your test?
It was a good experience. Way better experience than my first one, I'd say that.
Oh, so this was your second test?
Second test, yeah.
Okay, so you said in the second test you had 3 majors, 3 serious faults, okay, and would you like to go through them?
I can do.
So what was the feedback from the examiner?
So the feedback is a good overriding test. It's just the major faults that it made him feel like at ease. So it was like,
okay,
he had no choice but to fail me.
Okay, so what were the faults on?
So the faults were running back on a hill.
Okay, so you're on a steep hill. You started to roll back. There's obviously a vehicle behind you. Okay, so the examiner had to take control.
And then on the traffic light, so there's traffic already on the traffic light, and I was literally going to wait after the traffic light, but you have to wait before it.
So were you turning right or going straight?
Turning right, yeah.
So you're turning right at a traffic light controlled, was it crossroad,
Yeah.
Okay, and then you were going to wait where?
Wait till I just passed it because there's traffic already on the traffic lights.
Okay, but you had to stop before it, So did the examiner intervene then?
Okay.
Okay, so if there's not enough space for you, if you can't fully go over the line, then hold back, Okay, so that was your second one, and your third one?
Was in the dual carriageway. I accidentally went into the right hand lane.
Okay,
when the car was on the other side.
So you were driving in the left hand lane? And you didn't really notice that you'd steered into
Yeah.
Okay, so the last one's probably the most the examiner had to step in all of them, really. I had to intervene. The last one sounds the most dangerous. Was there a car there in the right hand lane?
I think so. Or he's just passed me on the right side,
Okay, and so did these kind of faults normally happen in your lessons as well?
No.
So how are you normally on hills and that on your?
On hills normally good, but it's just like when I'm turning right, it's just the whole stress kind of situation thing.
Okay.
So I think maybe a few more lessons on doing that.
Well, obviously, like I said, we're going to carry out a mock test now. So we'll see how you get on. And any tips for anyone that's got the test coming up from your experience? What you've learned? What would you say?
Practice makes perfect, really.
And don't roll back.
Don't roll back.
Right. So guys. Leyton's going to be doing a mock driving test. So if you don't want to miss out on that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.